How to use your time wisely. Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. Are some days a constant race against the clock? If so, you're probably overstretched and wondering how you'll be able to accomplish everything. Or maybe you're stuck and tired of how you're spending your time. Whatever the reason, learn these two methods to become more efficient with your time, manage your work or school load, and enjoy the time you already have. Method 1. Evaluating your time. 1. Determine how you spend your time. There are a variety of ways to do this. Try keeping a log or journal for several days, or make a chart or graph illustrating how your time is spent. Be sure to keep track of everything that's taking up your time: sleep, work, eating, chores, school, etc. 2. Write down goals. Now that you know where your time is going, how would you like it to be spent? Mainly, what do you want to change about your current routine? If you noticed any wasted time, start by making a goal to address it. 3. Prioritize your goals. This doesn't have to be incredibly detailed. Just rank your goals in the order in which you'd like to complete them. Try to put at least 30% of your weekly time towards accomplishing a goal. 4. Plan your time. Give yourself a manageable range of time and make a list of the goals you must accomplish. Keep a separate list of things you'd like to get done. Then look at your week and assign tasks for each day that get you closer to achieving your goals. 5. Realize that your time is valuable. Don't allow your schedule to fill up with things that don't get you closer to your goals or that don't make you happy. If something seems like a waste of your time, try to cut it short or get out of it. Now that you have evaluated your time, let's talk about the second method. Method 1. Effectively managing your time. 1. Start with your most important goal. This may be easy to determine if a big deadline is looming or a big event is coming up. Put the bulk of your energy towards completing the vital task before moving on to less important items. 2. Say no. Don't feel guilt-tripped into doing something you don't want to do. Job expectations aside, you shouldn't feel like you always have to agree to doing things. While simple requests might not seem like a big deal, they can pile up, leaving you overwhelmed and struggling to accomplish your actual goals. Learn to say no without feeling guilty. 3. Multitask smartly. While multitasking sounds like a great way to manage time, it's actually difficult to successfully pull off. Stick to multitasking when it comes to thoughtless jobs: laundry, dishes, making meals, etc. 5. Don't try to write a memo while reading an article or talking on the phone. In other words, allow your mind to focus on one task at a time, preferably at a time of day when you work the best. 4. Be prepared. Don't let meetings, appointments, or deadlines surprise you. If you're prepared and have planned them into your day, they'll be more beneficial than if you were unprepared. 5. Delegate or ask for help. You may find that you have too many goals or tasks to accomplish. Try delegating responsibilities to co-workers or your family. This will free up valuable time for you to work on other projects or give you extra free time. 6. Remove distractions. This is increasingly hard to do. If you find yourself having trouble completing tasks, try turning off your cell phone, signing out of all social media sites, turning off the television, and go someplace quiet. You'll find that being able to focus on one task may increase your efficiency. 7. Reward yourself. If you've accomplished several goals or become more focused on your tasks, give yourself a small reward. This could be something as simple as a small personal break in the day, time out with friends, or allowing yourself extra sleep in the morning. Choose a voice.